You know, I get calls and emails all the time asking me this question. Is it worth hauling my Harley all the way to Samson V-Twin? Well, if you're in Florida, Georgia, Mississippi, even Louisiana, this video will tell you exactly what to expect before you load your bike. I'm Steve Carr here at Samson V-Twin in Samson, Alabama. We specialize in late model Harley-Davidson twin cam and M8 models, specifically touring models, although we do work on Softails from time to time. We regularly work on bikes that are trailered here from out of state, performance mods, ape hangers, suspension upgrades, tuners, exhaust, regular maintenance, tires, pretty much whatever you might need for your bike. Most of the bikes that come here from a distance fall into one of three categories. Number one, the bike was worked on somewhere else and still isn't right. Two, it's a performance build and the owner wants it done correctly. And number three, the owner wants answers before throwing more parts at it. Here's the most important thing I tell everyone. Call or email before you haul the bike to me. We'll ask you questions, look at what's been done, and tell you honestly whether it makes sense to bring it here or not. Before anyone loads a bike, we want to know the year and model, what's been done to it, what's it doing wrong, and any tuning or error codes. That way, when the bike shows up here, we're not just guessing. Every bike is different, so I don't give unrealistic timelines. Some issues are straightforward, some take time to figure out. What I can promise is that we don't rush, we don't guess, and we don't play games. We've had bikes from Tampa, Atlanta, Birmingham, Pensacola, Mobile, even New Orleans. Most of those customers tell me the same thing. I wish I had brought it here first. If you're thinking about hauling your Harley to Samson V-Twin, reach out before you load it. We'll tell you straight if it's worth bringing it here or not. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Steve Carr. Ride safe out there, guys. I'll talk to you later.